Day 2. We're going to put the plastics and everything back on this thing. Fire it up. We're going to do a little bit of another heat cycle. Then we're going to take it outside and run it. And go about half throttle. Get on a little bit, half throttle. See where we're at. Make sure it's, again, no weird noises, no smoke, anything like that. And we'll just see how she runs. All right, guys, let's do this. About ready to start it. Obviously, check the oil. It looks wonderful. All right, guys, so she looks good and she runs good. So I didn't even take it to half throttle. It's pretty loud and we're kind of in town, so I didn't want to really get on the thing all that much. I know if Ryan was here, he would just rip on it because he lives here. But either way, just kind of breaking it in. We're going to do, probably just do another little idling session, rev it up a couple times, then we're just going to change the oil out, put some fresh oil in it. Now remember, this kit is from Zoomzoom, forged piston, 366. I'm going to do a little picture montage at the end, and I'm going to get all the details on the kit and what was in the quad originally when we pulled it out with the Wiseco piston, different things like that, and any hints and tips that I had when I installed this thing. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Can't wait to see this thing rip here in the next few weeks. We won't be able to make it to this one. It's the July 2nd. We're not going to be able to make it that one. The weather looks horrible. Tornadoes and stuff all over the place. But the 16th, I think, is the next race. I could be mistaken. I don't know. But either way, hopefully we'll be able to make it. And we can take all the blasters out and maybe we run with some 400s. So we'll see. All right, guys. Any questions or comments? You know the drill. Leave them in the comment section. God bless. We have both pistons here. On the left is the new zoomzoom with the 85 millimeter 12-to-1 compression piston. On the right is a 20 over 10.25 to 1 compression Wiseco piston that we pulled out of it. So on top of the Wiseco piston with some part numbers, you can see them here. That's when I went off of it. Technically made it a 353, so not much of anything and still lower compression. So hopefully this kit, as you can see, it looks gorgeous in here. You need to run a high octane, at least 93. I think we're just going to run the VP 110 it to be on the safe side and not have to worry about any dinging and get the good performance out of it. When you're doing this kit, make sure you clean up the surfaces really well. I don't like using high temp RTV. It comes with it. I just don't like using it. So I cleaned up the surfaces, the base, where the base gasket goes, head gasket, clean it up really well. Make sure there's no old gasket on it. Clean it up, put the new gaskets on, and you're good to go. Now, what I honestly would do, pull the engine out of the quad. The head bolts are so darn long they kind of hit the frame. You can do it. Obviously, I did it. It's just if you take the engine out, put it on the stand or just put it on your bench, secure it, and it's going to take you half the time. I mean, it's a lot easier getting the piston in, compressing the rings, stuff like that makes it a lot easier. Now, if you do have a ring compressor, that would be helpful. I did it with my fingers. Definitely a pain in the butt with one set of hands. Now, if my brother was there to help me, that would have been a lot easier, but I didn't want to wait. I wanted to get this thing going. So, yeah, note on that. So, yeah, that's about all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to see how this quad runs out on the track once it's actually broke in. But yeah, if you guys are interested in rebuilding your Raptor 350, your Warrior 350, give ZoomZoom a look. You can go on their website, ZoomZoom Parts. I think it's zoomzoomparts.com. They're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. I'm actually going to put their video on how to rebuild the Warrior engine in the description. So if you guys need a more in-depth video, you can check out their stuff. It's pretty good. They get into torque specs and all that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on the track.